because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Fuck. It's not sticky, huh?
No, it's not.
Oh, you have to drain the tank first. Now you made the hole bigger.
Ugh.
Mike tried to put a screw through it to see if it'll seal, so now it's even bigger.
Is this your only jug you guys have?
We got
It's empty?
5 gallons with gas in it. Yeah, but the only jug empty.
He's shaking. No more energy drinks for you.
I just hear like barking over there.
You can put the jug.
Yo, he's shaking hard.
Yeah, I just saw this car catch on fire, so I don't want it to be me
It's like,
next. Mike didn't even bother to clean the fire off.
So
It's
does
still
he
like
buy
all there.
it?
So the chamber wall didn't fix. We got to buy some actual like tank sealer. We ended up draining the fuel tank, and now to just seal it so that we get to the track. Hopefully it's sealed and we can actually race the car. If not, we only have one car for the weekend.
So we got this fuel tank repair, and it says it works on like wet, like gas, like if it's wet and stuff like that. So I think it's like gonna work out. So we're just gonna put this. It takes an hour to dry, so it's gonna take an hour for us to get to the track. So we'll just leave this curing, and we should be good for racing today.
But it's like completely like, oh yeah.
Alright, so we fixed the gas leak, so we think. So we'll find out when we get to the track. We'll put some gas in it. If it doesn't leak, we'll start. We'll go to tech and we'll go to qualifying. So let's get it. You ready?
Oh, we're right. 3 hours late.
3 hours late.
So we made it. We're just here sitting in line to basically get in, and then we can go.
Oh shit, it's got a screen on the side.
Yeah, it's a nice camera, Mike. This is the nice camera, Mike.
Upgrades for you guys.
Yep. So once we get in, we're gonna go. We have to go take the cars, and after taking the cars, we're gonna go with the first in for the first test run. Might turn the boost down a little bit just to get it to hook, cause not hooking. It's just
We're gonna concentrate on the FB first.
Hopefully Mike's fuel tank dried out by then, so we can have no issue with the fuel tank leaking, and we can go do a hit on his car and not break everything. That's a plan, hopefully. All right, so my knee rod, sorry, ripped. This guy threw his fucking luggage up my knee rod. Look at this thing now. What am I gonna catch with this now?
Cutting us.
Ooh, stick shit. What are you doing, Mike?
I'm doing the 10.5 index because we haven't really done a quarter mile pass on the FD, so it might do 10.5, might do a 9.5, but
9.5?
who knows, man? We might do it.
9.5. If you're doing a 9.5, I'm running you.
But if it's doing 10.5 faster than 10.5s, we're gonna be sandbagging and we're gonna dominate.
Yeah. And then this thing, I'm just fucked. And I have to like pull that out of my ass because there might be some fast cars on here. But personal goal is just to go 9s. If I go 9s in the car, I'll be fucking happy. I don't care if I lose, but if I get to a 9, I'll be stoked. That's what I want to get with the car.
Yep. So that's the goal for today. Set up the cars for 9s, and then I think qualifying starts tomorrow and Saturday, and then Sunday will be the actual like eliminations. So today's test and tune.
Yeah, today's test and tune and making sure that little golf cart works so we can go
Test and tune and qualifying 1, 2, and 3.
and then go set up races for the go-kart.
Yeah.
Go-kart races.
Yeah, go-kart races.
Yo!
Hey, you don't got a race car in there?
Ah,
Got 2 in there.
Oh, I forgot you like them small cars. So they stack them on top of each other, one behind another.
Oh, this thing smaller than mine.
Oh, this thing's long compared to them RX-7s.
Where you guys parked?
Way down there.
Way down there.
I think Kyle beat us here by like 5 hours. I'm bad at putting stickers on. I butchered it.
So we got a little bit of a problem. They're like being super strict with cages, so they're not gonna let my 20B run unless it's on a 1150 class. So I'm really not sure what to do, because we can be on the 1150 class and dominate pretty much, but I really want to go 9. So we might just sandbag the car the whole competition, and then, you know, last second just like, you know, send it, or we might just go to test and tune right now, run a 9, and then down tune the car to an 11.5. We'll find out. So we're gonna go get a 11.5 index card. All right, thank you.
What are we doing now, Mike?
Well, they moved us to the 11.5 class, which is no big deal.
Sandbagging.
Like, you know, the car.
Sandbag.
Yeah, we're gonna sandbag it. So
We have to run though, at
so
least.
I think like on the class we can't go faster in 11.5. Like once competition starts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to do a test pass to see where the car's at and pull boost out and lower it, and hopefully we can lower enough power to where we're running 11.5s consistent. But if you run faster than 11.5, you're out. Yeah, I think I have 07 on the windshield already.
Here's a ticket.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. All right, Mike, I'm gonna go get ready.
Okay.
Now we're both officially teched in. That dude was a fucking pain in the ass, but we got it done. So Mike's about to go up for the first pass. I kind of got screwed, so I can't run it yet, but we're going to see what Mike does. So I got my first lecture of the day. Apparently you can't wear sandals out here. Good thing we know enough people, so we actually got in. If not, we've been screwed.
The way that the class is, right now we did a test and tune and we broke out. Bogging and missing a gear, so it means that if we get all those right, we're gonna be way out of the class. So we missed a gear and we bogged it out of line and we're still too fast, so we're gonna have to like take into account that when we go to qualifying, we cannot go faster than 11.5. If we go faster than 11.5, we're disqualified. So for Sunday, there's gonna be 2 days of qualifying. For Sunday is the final race. So today we need to run probably like an 11, high 11.
11.6, 11.7.
Yeah, and then we're supposed to be dialing the car in to an 11.5 through today and tomorrow. So we gotta figure that out.
But it's kind of hard to do when you got 800 horsepower.
Yeah, so the thing is that they're not letting us do test and tune right now. So what we might have to do is, when we go to qualifying, we need to turn down the boost by half and get the car to run like consistent, like 11.5s, get as close as we can to it, really. But right now the car's way too fast for it. The first gen is way faster than the FD, so we gotta figure that out.
So what's the plan?
really
What's the
think
plan for the first gen though?
Well, right now the wideband sensor is bad, so the ECU thinks that the car's lean or rich, and it's not letting us like, it idles, but it's not letting us like drive it. So we have to like hook up the computer and find out what's going on with the wideband sensor, replace it, and go to the track again. I see some codes though.
Some?
Yeah, it's 4.
Who's a better tuner though?
Both.
Who's a better tuner, Mike?
Who's a better tuner?
Mike, who's a better tuner?
Both.
So what is it saying?
That we have a wideband sensor error. So that's why the car started running weird after you did that pull.
Okay.
So we need to turn it on and make sure that it's working now. I'm gonna erase these codes.
What are we gonna do?
Street tune.
Street tune.
We had something happen with the map, so we're gonna verify real quick.
We did some street pulls and we had to add probably like 20-30% of fuel. Not sure why that happened. The only thing that we changed was the gas. So it's still C16, but it was a different container. So we have the car at 30 pounds just to be safe. We did some pulls, everything's good, and we're gonna do our first qualifying pass. That's on. 9 or plus 8.
No, we want an 8.
I want 7.
Give her what?
Oh, man.
7.
Alright. You got nitrous on, you got
Nitrous
everything.
is on.
Oh, man.
Why does it see so
Fuel is
forward?
on, CO2's open,
Look.
right?
Is this the first pass?
Rub some good luck on them.
I like your ratchet strap. I have the same one.
Yeah, my truck.
You can
lagged
see that?
out of- It's camo.
Oh, John Cena. I can't record myself. I'm just gonna record Cooper getting his first pass. So I'm still sad boy waiting to get a run, which it won't happen today, right, Gil? I think they already said after 5 o'clock I'm screwed. I have to wait till tomorrow.
That's good. Drivers only should be sitting ready to go.
What do you think it's gonna run?
Bro,
Bro, he might go at 7. I heard they got it cranked up. That's a rip. 840. Bad for off the trailer. Woo! What a rip. That felt great.
Yeah, I heard the limiter.
It just touched the limiter a little bit.
Yeah, look at that roll bar.
Found another rotary guy, and he's, you know, he likes Borg Warners too.
Yep, them little bug warners.
It looks like there's gonna be a rotary in every class. So he's in the 10.5 class. 10.5. I got put into 11.5 for the no cage, and then Johnson the stick shift, and I think the starlet is like an outlaw or something like that.
No fluid. Let's check.
Basically got honey dicked all day, waited to go testing, somehow missed testing, then went to do qualifying. As you can tell, free car wash. So now we're gonna do our first run of qualifying tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So all I did today was chill out, sweat all day, and drink water. But whatever, we're still here. We'll do it tomorrow again.